Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I would like to show you how to cut out parts of a video on CapCut. Alright, the first thing you should do is open your CapCut and create new project and then import your video to CapCut. And then if you want to cut out parts of your video, you have to click on the video like this. And then you have to scroll your screen until you find cutout option, and it's right here. And then there will be three options for you. The first one is remove background. You can use it the effect, the feature, when you want to delete the background of your video. And then you can also choose customized cutout when you want to manually cut out parts of your video. And then the last one is chroma key. I suggest you to use this feature when you have green screen background. And today we're going to choose remove background to get a more precise cutout, and just click on remove background. And now the background has been removed, and you can also choose the cutout stroke right here. And then you can select which one that you prefer, and I wanna choose straight cut stroke. All right, and then we can go back to our video and let's check it together. All right, okay guys, that's how we can cut out parts of our video on CapCut. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.